A table costs 5 times as much as a chair. For 40,000 naira, a trader can buy 20 more chairs than a table. Can buy 20 more chairs than tables, rather. Find the cost of a table. Solution to the problem. A table costs 5 times as much as a chair. So we can say let the cost of a chair be X. If the cost of a chair is X, then the cost of a table, will be equal to what? 5 times X. Because the cost of one table is 5 times as much as a chair. So this phrase, 5 times, is very important. So 5 times X. So we have it to be 5X. Now, let's go to the second statement. For 40,000 naira, a trader can buy 20 more chairs than a table. Now, let's consider 40,000 naira. For 40,000 naira, the first part we are going to look at is how many chairs can 40,000 naira purchase normally based on what we have here. Number of chairs that 40,000 naira can buy. And what would that be? That is going to be 40,000 naira divided by what? Unit cost of a chair. Unit cost of a chair. That will be 40,000 naira divided by unit cost of a chair. What is the unit cost of a chair? That is, the cost of one chair is what? X. So we know the number of chairs that 40,000 naira can buy is 40,000 naira divided by X. And that's 40,000 divided by X chairs. Now, let's consider number of chairs, or number of tables rather. We've considered number of chairs. Number of tables that 40,000 naira can buy. Number of tables that 40,000 naira can buy is going to be what? 40,000 naira divided by what? Unit cost of a what? Of a table. Unit cost of a table. And that will give us 40,000 naira divided by what? What is unit cost of a table? That is 5x. That is, the cost of one table is what? 5x naira. You can put naira in the front. 5x naira. This one is x naira. So 5 here, 1, 5 in 40, we can reduce it. This is 8. So this one is 8,000 divided by x. Now, And this is 8,000 divided by X tables. Now let's go back to this question. For 40,000 naira, a trader can buy 20 more chairs. 20 more chairs than a table. Now, it means that when you have 40,000 naira, the number of tables that particular 40,000 naira can buy is what? Is less than that of chairs by 20. Meaning that number of chairs for 40,000 naira, number of chairs that 40,000 naira can buy is equals to 20 plus number of tables. Number of table, that is 20 plus number of table. Looking at the numbers of items generally. So, because of the word more than, number of chairs. So, take note of that. So, what is the number of chairs normally we are having? 40,000 naira. 40,000 naira divided by X is going to be equal to what? 20. That's 20 plus numbers of tables. That's 8,000 naira. 8,000 naira divided by X. That's what we are going to have. So in this case, we are having a simple equation in which the unknowns are part of the denominators. So in this case, for us to solve this problem, we are going to multiply all through by the LCM of denominators. LCM of denominators what is the LCM of the denominators? The denominators are X and 1 because this is just repeated, X and 1. And that will give us X times 1, and that is X. That will give us X times 1, that is X. So we multiply all through by the LCM. Multiply all through by LCM, which is X. So if we multiply all through by X, we have X into 4,000 divided by X. Then we have X into 20 divided by 1 plus, what do we have? X into 8,000 divided by X. Now, X here 1, X here 1. And here also, we have X here 1, X here 1. So we have 4,000 equals to what? X times 20, that is what? 20x. Then plus, what do we have? 1 times 8,000, that is 8,000. Oh, this is 40,000. Please take note, 40, not 4,000. So we have 40,000 here. You know, this one we simplify this to 8,000 divided by x. So here is 8,000. This is 40,000. Take note. Now, from this equation, the next thing for us to do is to collect the items. So we have 40,000. Coming to this side, we have minus 8,000. Then equals to what? 20x. So what are we having? 40,000 minus 8,000 will give us what? That's going to give us 32,000 equals to what? 20x. So the next thing for us to do is to divide both sides by the coefficient of x. That's 32,000 divided by 20 equals to 20x divided by 20. 20 year 1, 20 year 1. So here we have 0 cancel 0 here. Then 2 year 1, 32 divided by 2, that's 16. So we have 1 6 equals to x. So s equals to 1,600. But from the question, find the cost of a table. So cost of a table equals to what? From the assumption, we assume that the cost of a chair to be x naira. And if the cost of a chair is x naira, then the cost of a table is 5x naira. So it means that this is 5x. Now, it means that 5 times what? What is x? 1,600. And now, 1,600 times 5. 16 times 5 will give us what? 16 times 5. 6 times 5 is 30. So 5 times 1 we have 5. So 5 plus 3, that is 8. So it means that 16 times 5 will give us what? 80. So 1,600 times 5 will give us 8,000. So this is going to be 8,000 naira. So it means that the cost of a table equals to 8,000 naira. And that is the solution to the problem. Thank you.